Welcome to this series on trigonometry. Many of my students have shared that they are scared of trigonometry, especially trigonometric identities. They want to know how do we approach questions in this topic. I thought, why not I share some of my ideas on how to approach the questions and how do we master this topic, right? And I hope this helps you. First identity that we have is cos square a plus sine square a equal to 1. So what does it mean to master this particular concept? Right? So to understand that, I have divided the understanding of this concept into 3 levels. We'll go one by one, right? Let's look at level 1. What does level 1 mean? You know what is cos square a plus sine square a, and you know that that is equal to 1. Okay? You know that either you have memorized or you are familiar that cos square a plus sine square equal to 1. Let's look at level 2. What is level 2? If cos square a plus sine square a equal to 1, you need to also be familiar with the other variations of this identity. Means what? If I take sine square a to the other side, I'm going to get 1 minus sine square a, that is equal to cos square a. Similarly, if I take, instead of sine square a, if I take cos square a, I'm going to 1 minus cos square a equal to sine square a. Knowing this is level 2. So wherever you see or you get a chance to bring it to 1 minus sine square a or 1 minus cos square a, you apply that it is equal to cos square or equal to sine square. Let's see one application of this level 2 understand. Look at this question. First thing I believe, or I've seen students get scared, oh, it's cos power 4. How do I do it? Right? Suppose I take LHS and take out cos square common, because I can see there's a cos square common. I take out cos square a common. So what do I get? Cos square a minus 1. Cos square a minus 1 seems familiar, is nothing but minus sine square a. So this becomes, LHS becomes minus sine square a into cos square a. Now let's look at RHS. Similar to the LHS, here I am going to take sine square a common. You are going to get sine square a minus 1. Again, familiar. So take out sine square a common. 1 minus sine square a is cos square a. So this becomes minus cos square a, eventually leading to minus sine square a into cos square a. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. This is the level 2 application. But what is level 3? That is the ultimate mastery of this concept. So what does level 3 mean? Not just remembering that sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1 and extending it to 1 minus sine square a equal to cos square a and 1 minus cos square a equal to sine square a. That is not it. You need to extend it further. And if you look at this first equation, this looks like, the LHS looks like 1 square minus sine square a, which is a square minus b square format. So if I build on this, I'm going to get 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a equal to cos square a. Similarly, 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a equal to sine square a. So wherever you see any one of these, you should give an attempt to bring it to this format and apply this identity. That is level 3 understanding. I'll give a simple example, one more problem to clarify what I'm trying to tell here. If you look at this question, the square root and 1 plus sine a and by 1 minus sine a within it looks very scary. But what I am thinking here is 1 minus sine a, I've seen it somewhere. Where did I see 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a is equal to cos square a? Because this left hand side is 1 minus sine square a. So can I bring this to this format is my thought. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator with 1 plus sine a. Very similar to the rationalizing the denominator. So this becomes 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a. I'm only looking at LHS for the time being. Okay. Why did I do it? Because I know 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a. This rings a bell that it can be made equal to cos square a. And if I get cos square a, square root can be eliminated. Right? So square root of 1 plus sine a whole square divided by cos square a, because 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a is 1 minus sine square a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So 1 minus sine square a, which is cos square a. 1 plus sine a by cos a. And if I separate them out, 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a, which is equal to secant a plus tan a. That is equal to RHS. Where is the twist? Looking at this, you should get an idea that I can multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine a and convert it to cos square. The other method which I've seen students take up is they see the square root, they're scared, they immediately take a square on both sides. But imagine squaring secant a plus tan a whole square, right? So I hope this helps.